Okay, in today's video we're going to take a look at the chart of Amazon, the daily chart. Now it's still a bearish pattern because you do have the pattern of lower lows and lower highs since this last high was made, right? And I would be giving areas of resistance that will come from taking 100% of these prior rally swings, projecting them from that low here. But we're so far away from that, it's not really worth putting it out as a decision just yet. I have to see if this low remains intact in order to give you resistance. But I can give you at least one decision, and that comes from the symmetry here of a prior decline that was 8 trading days down, and this current swing is also 8 trading days down, so there's time symmetry there. There's also the timing histogram that comes in November 1st, 2nd, with the calendar day projections, and then we also have the trading day projections that give us the time period of October 29th through November 2nd to watch for a possible intermediate low. Okay, now does that mean it's definitely going to happen? No, but the odds are higher than they would typically be because we do have this cluster of timing cycles. So the key decision really is coming in with this symmetry in both price and time, because you'll see that this decline here, it's 8 days down, 348.09, okay, roughly 348 points. And this decline is very similar at 350, okay? So we have time and price that say that if we hold above this area of support, we can look for a bounce. Now that comes in, it's a little bit difficult to read, but 1489.91 to 1496.91. So very simply, it is a counter trend trade. I would be looking for a counter trend bounce that I would look to short if it got up into, the right resistance. But for those of you that, are okay with looking at something counter trend, this is your definition of risk, okay? So this is the way it looks like on the 78-minute chart. And this was kind of interesting because on this time frame, it was exactly equal to even the bars inside of those swings. So 44 bars down on the 78-minute chart and 44 bars down. And again, you can see the time symmetry of 44 and 44, and you can see the price symmetry of 348 and 350. So bottom line, if we hold above here, yeah, I'm going to look for a bounce. But pretty soon after that, I will be setting up the resistance pretty quickly where we're going to have to watch for a possible failure. Remember to take this work from one decision to the next and to use triggers. And if you're not comfortable with the amount of risk that you would need to take with one of the setups, don't do it.